another video. My name is Ruben and welcome back to the channel. Um, Please note, as always, I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I providing any sort of financial advice. I'm just a guy showing what I do on an app known as TradingView. Please note there is risk when investing. Understand the risk that you are taking when making any sort of investment. You do work hell of a hard for your money. In today's video, I'm going to be looking at FTT. I'm on a website known as tradingview.com. If you guys would like to open up an account, it's free. Make sure you log in and sign up. They do have other upgradable versions, which I don't actually follow, but if you guys want to use it, or not that I don't actually follow it, I don't actually use it at the moment. But in any event, this is tradingview.com. It is raining where I am. Sorry if you guys can hear the thunder and lightning happening in the background. But essentially what we are looking at is a coin known as FTT or FTT token. I did mention in a previous video that CZ Binance did purchase a massive stack of them, about $500 million worth of FTT coin. Here you can see in the last day the prices dropped drastically. And the reason for that actually dropping down so much is because of their owner, or Mr. SPF, Bankman Fried, who basically, um, yeah, he's been claiming that he's X amount of worth and his money is stacked up. And basically, what happened is that somebody actually went and found out that this man isn't really holding all of his investments liquid, and which might cause FTX, which is a company where he is the founder of, might actually start dropping down in price. And this could be another Luna incident, where the price basically tanked. We can see here currently on TradingView, we are looking at the daily tables. The daily drop for this period is now sitting at 22.3%. You can see it here on the top of here, 22.4%. Yesterday's overall movement was about 0.66%, and the day before was about 8%. So from the news broke that he was basically $14 billion liquid. I mean, $14 billion worth of net worth, and most of it is actually sitting in FTT coins that is actually being held by them. So, yeah, massive story happening, and that's occurring at the moment with regards to FTT token. But I'm just looking at the technical analysis over here. Here you can see on the daily, I've drawn a bit of a support that's been now broken down or broken through. Here we got two levels. This is possibly a third confirmation of this level. If I just make it tighter, there we go. Here you can see the candle broke and closed below. This is a sort of candle that I would trade, basically for momentum. You can see there was a bit of a push and a strong reversal came down and closes candle. Not convincingly enough for me to actually take a trade immediately on the daily. But if I come down to the 4 hour, you can see that daily support level actually can be drawn a bit better on the 4 hour. It's somewhere here. There's a lot of traffic that's happening on here, but you can see the support level was being held for quite some time. And then as soon as it broke down, it's just been shooting down. For opportunities to start trading in, let's just come down to the 1 hour to see what's happening with FTT. There seems to be some sort of positivity here on the 1 hour. There's a new level of support forming. Let me rather delete the right-tailed one and rather pull in a full horizontal line. And if we pull it on the full horizontal line, let's just go to the weekly. See where this might be pulling up. Oh wow, there's a nice jump on here. Here you can see from the line that we drew in the 1 hour, there seems to be some activity happening here where there was a rejection at this level before it broke through. Again, you can see the same thing. And if I was a trading man on FTT, I would think we would measure up against all of this traffic here towards the left hand side. It's gonna come down to $3, guys. It's clear as day. This thing is, as soon as it breaks this level of support, from a previous level from February 2021. Yeah, this level from February 2021, where it was a previous rejection, it's now actually become a bit of a support. Wouldn't be surprised if by the end of this week we break somewhere here. This is what I would like to see in the market. We break somewhere here. The candle should close below, have a bit of rejection, and as soon as we come and retest this level here, it's gonna shoot down. This is what I'm predicting or see that's gonna happen in the market. Even if there's no bottom wick on this, it's still gonna give momentum for it to come down. Simple, simple, simple stuff. But yeah, FTT not looking like it's going to be in the market for some time now. Um, and yeah, that's basically a strong sign of what's going to happen in the market. This is actually ridiculous when you draw it on the 1 hour. But let's just see what happens in the 30 minutes here. And in 30-minute chart, strong downward trend has been occurring in the market for here. If I just take this here, copy and paste it, you can see that this channel over here is actually pretty decent. I think one of the guys that I follow is Eagle or Falcon Trading. This is how they trade. They basically trade flags. As soon as there's a break and then run, I basically trade in this manner here, where I basically draw the most recent support and resistance levels. You can see a 1, 2, 3, 4. Not as convincing as the others on the higher time frames, but still levels of support were respected. And then as soon as it breaks, it just continues. I wouldn't trade here because I wait for candles to close. And as soon as the candles close, once there's a bit of rejection trying to retest a previous level that was broken, as soon as there's a flip that occurs, I normally take in a trade. This would have been a decent trade. As soon as we flip below this, let's just check here. As soon as we broke below this candle here, yeah, it would have been a clean trade. Clean trade. This was about profit or loss 2.6 to 1. Yeah, nice trade. But yeah, I still think this coin is going to be dropping down. I don't see much happening on your FTT token. Not looking in good shape, my man. Very sad. But in any event, like Sandile shares you, if you want to flex, you will get burnt. Okay, but yeah, guys, take it easy. This was a quick analysis on FTT token. Just wanted to show you guys how I look at the market and how I trade. Go open up yourselves account on tradingview.com. I will have a link down below, so feel free to use that. But until next time, I'll see you guys. Have a great one. Bye.